12th standard maths, business maths, accounts, engineering, BE, BTech and ME, MTech maths. For any queries, please contact numericalacademy@gmail.com.
Hello friends, welcome to Numerical Academy. Today I am going to discuss the important sum. In my previous accountancy video, I have discussed the important topics. I have provided the link in the description box. Please see the video till last to know the important sum. Also like and share Numerical Academy. Let's go inside the video. Importance of non-profit organization. Unit 2. Features, they will ask in 3 marks. There are 3 topics in the lesson: receipt and payment, income and expenditure, subscription, tournament fund. Please see the format of receipt and payment, because they will ask what is revenue receipt, revenue payment, capital receipt, capital payment in compulsory 2 marks like 40th one and 30th one. Important illustration sum. Illustration 1, 2, 3, 4 as well as 5. Because there are 5 illustration sum, both are important. Illustration as well as exercise. Please see what is subscription, interest on investment, sale of old sports, because they will ask in 2 marks. What is legacies? Income and expenditures account. Please see the format of income and expenditures account. Expenditure left side, income right side, debtors and creditors. Illustration 6 important as well as 7th. In this lesson, they will ask what is difference between receipt and payment, income and expenditure. Please see the 5 points to write. 3 marks they will ask. Treatment of revenue receipt. Subscription. Please see the format of subscription, because they will ask in compulsory or as well as 3 marks. Less, add, outstanding, advance. Okay, please see the format as well as balance sheet as on subscription. Ninth one important. 11th one also important. 15th balance sheet. Like what is liability, what is assets, balance sheet. Lesson 16 is also important. That's it. Comprises problem. Please see the adjustment, additional information they asked, as well as 21. Let's go inside the exercises. 2s are important. What is legacies? What is non-profit organization? I told now. What is receipt and payment accounts? Exercise important sums. Second one, third one, as well as 5th. Receipt and payment 2, 3, 5. Now I am going to tell about income and expenditure. 6th one, 7th one. That's it. Subscription 8th one important, 9th one important, 11th one, 14th one, as well as 15th. These both are tournament fund final accounts. We have to prepare lastly final accounts, revenue as well as payment or income or expenditure. 17 not important as well as 18. These are 21 important, 22. 23 is not important, 24 important. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our Numerical Academy. If you have any doubt, please post in comment section. For any doubt, please contact numericalacademy@gmail.com.